What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got two news stories for you and a couple of questions. So without further ado, let's jump into the tech news. Our first story of the day is again about the Pixel Watch. The rumors are getting hot and heavy about this, which means it's probably going to come out very, very soon, or at least fairly soon at that. You would definitely think this year because the rumors are getting really in depth with information that's starting to leak out, and we know what it looks like. We've seen real pictures of it, and here's some more details that are being leaked out. This tweet is coming from Mr. Yogesh Brar, who says got some info on the Pixel Watch from a relatively new source. Number one, Google-Samsung partnership is here on the watch as well. So we should see some kind of partnership thing going on with the watch between Google and Samsung. Same sensors as the Galaxy Watch, ECG and more. The new Wear OS 3.1 will be on the Pixel Watch. Two sizes, at least 4 color watch bands as well, and limited release, and will be priced between $300 and $400. So a couple of key takeaways from there. Obviously, seemingly it'll probably have all the same features that the Galaxy Watch has, maybe obviously not the rotating bezel, but the things that are baked into the actual hardware, it seems like they will be there. The price, $300 to $400, kind of competitive with the market overall. Two sizes, again, competitive with the market overall. Usually see a smaller size that generally women will go for, or kids. And then you've got a larger size usually men go for. And then you also have the color watch bands, which you'll probably also be able to buy watch bands outside of that realm, I'd assume, in there. And release date, obviously we don't fully know, but it could be October. Maybe it'll be August or June, like we've heard, or something like that. So we'll wait and see, but more and more stuff is coming out this, so be sure to be with the channel because we will definitely talk about the Pixel Watch. Next up is an amazing deal going on right now for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be replaced in August, most likely, with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I made a video recently saying, you know what, I might not probably buy it, but if you need a phone right now or you want a really, really good deal, you might want to buy it right now. Because there's an amazing deal going on right now for this phone on Samsung's website. Check this out. So you're gonna get all of this. So you get the Galaxy Z Fold 3, obviously, and you get it with a huge deal. You can see the top here in writing. You're gonna end up getting a $300 off on the phone itself, just straight off the bat. That's before you do any trade-in. So $300 off. You also get a Galaxy Watch 4 for free, and you get a $100 Google Play promotional balance. And that, again, you can still trade in your old phone that you have and reduce the price even further. So some really nice deals going on for this phone. If you get it right now and you're like, hey, I want to get the Galaxy Z Fold 4, it wouldn't be not that smart to do it, if that makes sense. Like, because when you trade this phone in, if you get the Z Fold 4 and you bought this phone now, the difference is going to be very minimal. Like, you should still get, I would guess, $800 to $900 trade in for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 when you get the Galaxy Z Fold 4, biting into that price of the Z Fold 4, so you don't have to pay as much, and then you'll get the free gifts with it and everything else that they allow you to get as well. So if you're thinking about getting the Z Fold 3, this is a great deal to get. Money off, free watch. You could trade it, sell it, or keep it. You get the free promotional balance on Google Play, so you can get apps and games for you and yourself or your kids. So check into it, guys. It's linked down below. Your question of the day is, what is the best color of a phone? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm probably gonna go with like one of those Aurora colors that came out, Aura colors that came out for Samsung. Those are really, really cool. Let me know about you guys in the comments down below. With that said, let's jump into the Q&A portion of the video and drop that beat. First question comes from Shajil Sazad. What would make you switch back to a candy bar phone? Like, for example, if they add something super cool to candy bar phones to a point where you think Samsung Fold isn't a good buy. It wouldn't be, the feature they would have to add would be if the phone was like, and I'm not even joking, like this big or bigger, but it still fit in my pocket comfortably, obviously, and I didn't have to close it up. That would make me switch. I really like the big display. That's what would have to happen. Marcel Allen says, have you noticed after an update example, I have the Z Fold 3 now, I'm noticing my battery life is bad now. This seems to happen months before the new phone comes out. I mean, that's kind of like urban myth. It's something that people kind of joke around about, people think, people believe. I don't know if I believe it so much that they're trying to make your phone worse so that you do upgrade your phone. Now, upgrades and updates do come out, and even though they'll fix bugs, they do create more bugs. It's inevitable because software can never be perfect, because then it's software upon software upon software with apps and everything else. So there's always going to be some kind of issue. So I don't know. I don't really believe in they make the phone worse so you'll buy it. And the last question comes from Jonathan Oren. Says, what is your favorite part of your Z Fold phone? Favorite part? The huge display. That's definitely my favorite. What is your dislikes of the Z Fold? I have a few. The camera being one, and then the front display being so tall and skinny is the other. And you said, I really think the technology is going to go further in just phones. I put a comment on that also. So yeah, it's the most exciting thing in mobile technology is folding phones and big screen phones. So I cannot wait to see what they do with that technology. So there you guys go. That is your news and questions for today. If you have a question, leave it in the comments down below with the word question, and we'll answer it in tomorrow's video. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.